Hello guys, in this video we are going to see one more operator that is used with string fields, so that is called contains. So here in the contact entity we have a first name field, and I'm checking with this help of contains operator that it should contains lex. Okay, so let's go to the contact, and here you can see the first name is Alex, so it contains lex, and I'm going to change it to lx123. Okay, and let's save it. Let's go to the flow, and in the flow run page, if we refresh, here you can see it has run, and here in the compose you can see the updated name. So this is how contains operator works, but there is a limitation with this operator. If we go here and if I make it in capitals, so let's say lex in all in caps, and I save the flow, and let's go back to the flow run page, and now go to the contact, and here I'm going to change the first name as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and let's go to the flow run page and refresh it. So here you can see the flow is not triggering. So this was the limitation which I was talking about. So to trigger this flow, the first name field should contains exactly the same string which we have provided in the filter rows. So let's change this lex and let's make it in capital. Let's save this contact and go to the flow, and if I refresh it, here you can see this has triggered the flow, because this time the criteria is matching. And if you see here in compose, you see this all in caps. Okay, so now let's check one more operator, that is ends with. So the syntax is same, and let's save it. Let's go to the contact, and let's remove this 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I'm going to add this 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the beginning, and let's save it. Go to the flow, and on the flow run page, here you can see it has triggered. So because our first name field ends with lex word, that's why it triggered the flow. And also this operator has this limitation where the string of characters should be same. So if I make it in small, like let's say lex, and if I go back to the contact record, and here let's change this first name, and what I'm thinking, let's add 7 here after the 6. Let's save this contact, and let's go to the flow run page, refresh it. So as you can see, it is not triggering the flow, because in the filter rows we have given the criteria that it should end with lex all in small letters. So we have one more operator, that is starts with. So let's replace this ends with starts with operator, and I'm going to replace this lex with first name as Alex, and also I'm replacing this first name with Alex, and here in the flow, let's save the flow. Let's go to the flow run page, and here if you see the compose, here it is coming with Alex. So if I change the name with Alex 1 2 3 4, because it is starting with Alex, so it will also trigger the flow. Here you can see the flow run, and if I expand this compose action, here you can see Alex 1 2 3 4. So this is how this starts with operator works in the filter rows. Also this also have a limitation where if I change this this string with capitals like alex, okay, And if I go to the contact record and if I change it, let's say 1 2 3 4 and 5, and save it. So this time if I go here and go to the flow run page, so here you can see if I refresh, this is not triggering the flow. So this is the limitation of all three operators which we discussed in this video. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.